Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your Xiaomi phone stop using mobile data when the phone is locked. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you really want to conserve your mobile data, you can make it so your Xiaomi turns 4G data off whenever you lock your phone and only activates it again once it's unlocked. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, select Battery and Performance. On this page, tap the Settings icon from the top right of the screen. Tap Turn off mobile data when device is locked. On the pop-up, you can choose how long after locking your phone disables data. Select 5 minutes for the shortest option. Now, whenever you lock your Xiaomi phone, the mobile data will switch itself off after 5 minutes of inactivity and will switch on again when you unlock the phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.